Hey dear, welcome to my channel. Want to make your writing flawless? Let's add the Grammarly extension to Chrome. It's super easy and will make your writing shine. Open Chrome and type Grammarly for Chrome. Click on the first link that appears and from there click on Add to Chrome. I have already installed this extension. So if you haven't installed this extension yet, then click Add Extension in the pop-up. Chrome will download and install the Grammarly extension. And that's it. Grammarly is now ready to help you with your writing on Chrome. Enjoy your enhanced writing experience. If this tip was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and happy writing with Grammarly.